If you've ever watched a movie edit and found yourself hooked within the first 3 seconds, it probably wasn't because of explosions, it was because the editor created curiosity. The best editors don't start with action, they start with emotion. Today I'll show you exactly how to create that cinematic opening using only CapCut. By the end of this lesson, you'll have an intro that feels like it belongs in a viral TikTok or YouTube Shorts edit. Let's jump in. Step 1. Create a new project, open CapCut, click New Project. Import the movie clip we'll be using. For this lesson, choose a calm scene. Don't choose a fight. Don't choose an explosion. Choose a character looking at something, walking, standing still, or entering a room. These moments build curiosity. Step 2. Trim the clip. Trim away everything before the important moment. Leave just enough movement to create tension, usually between 2 and 4 seconds. Less is often more. Step 3. Add a slow push-in. Select the clip, add keyframes. Start at 100%, move to the end, increase the scale to around 108 to 112%. This creates a subtle camera movement. The viewer won't notice it consciously, but they'll feel it. Hollywood uses this technique constantly. Step 4. Slow the clip. Tap speed, choose normal. Reduce the speed slightly. Around 0.8 times works well. Don't overdo it. The goal isn't slow motion, it's cinematic weight. Step 5. Darken the image. Open adjust, lower highlights, lower saturation slightly. Increase contrast, lower exposure just a little. Already the clip feels more dramatic. Step 6. Add a fade. Open animation. Choose fade in. Keep it short, around half a second. The viewer eases into the scene naturally. Step 7. Add atmospheric audio. Don't add music yet. Instead, add ambience, wind, rain, a distant rumble, room tone. Small sounds create huge emotion. Step 8. Watch it back. Play the intro, notice what changed. Almost nothing, yet everything feels different. That's the secret. Great edits aren't built from lots of effects, they're built from lots of tiny decisions.
Please just let me go. Please. Please.
Congratulations, you've just created the foundation of every cinematic movie edit. In the next lesson, we'll take this quiet intro and build anticipation that makes the beat drop hit 10 times harder.
Please just let me go. Please. Please.